In a world driven by trends, likes, and social validation, the essence of true Christianity stands in stark contrast to the clamoring noise of popular culture. At its core, real Christianity is not about seeking popularity or gaining the approval of the masses. Instead, it emphasizes holiness, accountability, and a committed journey along the narrow way that Jesus spoke of, a path that few find and even fewer choose to walk. This message explores the significance of understanding our convictions and the risk associated with walking the narrow way, one that calls us to resist sin, turn toward holiness, and anticipate the perfection awaiting us in eternity. One of the greatest temptations today is the challenge of popularity. It is a problem that has captured the hearts, souls, and minds of most Christian leaders and those that follow them in America. The modern church faces a relentless tension, if you will, between biblical teachings and these expectations of a society enamored with popularity.